Podcast Network Asia.
You are listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast, where we feature timely and relevant discussions on the Philippine stock market and the economy in the hope of providing you investing and trading guidance. Here's your host.
Hi investors, this is Anjz from First Metro Securities. In this episode of Market Bites, let me share with you our latest company update on Robinsons Retail Holdings Inc. or RRHI. We are reiterating our buy call on RRHI with target price maintained at 47 pesos. The stock is among our top picks for the next 12 months based on the following investment positives. First, the exit of DFI Retail Group is ROE accretive based on our updated estimates, reflecting the reduced share count. We now project ROE to improve to 7.4% in FY25F and 8.3% in FY26F, gradually approaching the pre-Rostans acquisition level of over 10%. Moreover, we view the transaction as a discounted buyback relative to DFI's total investment in RRHI. Second, RRHI offers compelling value with attractive valuations and dividend yield. The stock currently trades at 6.9 times FY25 FPE, significantly below its historical average and at a discount to its peers. It also offers a dividend yield of 6.7% for FY25F and 5.7% for FY26F. With its robust cash generation, we believe RRHI can comfortably sustain its 40% payout ratio. Third, RRHI is poised to gain from improving consumer sentiment as disinflation enhances purchasing power and drives stronger consumption. This is expected to support growth across segments, particularly for the food format, drugstore, and department store. Margin expansion is also anticipated on the back of sustained supplier support and operating leverage. Lastly, on tariff impact, the group remains relatively insulated from global trade uncertainties, given its lack of direct U.S. exports exposure. For more details, you can view our recent company report on RRHI. Simply log in to your FirstMetroSec My or Pro account, head on to the Research tab, click on FirstMetroSec, navigate to All Reports. Under All Types, select Company Report, and you will be able to see our updated report as of June 2025. You can also access our company report through our mobile app, FirstMetroSec Go. On the bottom part of the screen, tap on Stock, search for RRHI. Instead of Quick Quote, choose Research. Then under FirstMetroSec, you will see our updated report as of June 2025. Again, that's a buy call for RRHI at 47 pesos target price. And that's it for today's podcast. Make sure to follow us on our socials for more updates. That's First Metro Securities for both our Facebook and Instagram pages. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this has been helpful.
Thanks for listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast. Don't forget to follow us to get first dibs on our new episodes. For more up-to-date market news and info, exclusive content, and the opportunity to connect with your fellow Filipino investors and traders, join facebook.com/groups/FirstMetroSec and be part of the First MetroSec family.
First MetroSec is providing this podcast as a general market commentary. Reference to any specific security, product, or entity do not constitute as an offer or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell any financial instruments or to participate in any particular trading strategy. The statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed by the hosts are subject to change without notice, and First MetroSec is under no obligation to update, amend, change, or correct any of the statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed. The statements, comments, views, and opinions expressed by the guests are their own and do not necessarily reflect the view of First MetroSec. First MetroSec disclaims any liability arising from reliance on or reference to any information obtained in this podcast.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.